Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use the clutch ability on NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, right here in the picture, this is how the clutch button looks like. So basically guys, you will not have this button in the beginning of the game because this is actually a special ability and you need to wait for it to charge up. So as you can see guys, I am right now in this site, which is NBA Live Mobile Wiki. And right here, there is a guide on all of the abilities in the game. So there is the buzzer beater, the clutch, and lastly in the paint. As you can see guys right here, the clutch ability can take from 30 to 90 seconds to charge. Depending on the player, some players will also start with their clutch ability pre-charged. This means that certain players will be able to use the ability 1, 2, or maybe even 3 times a quarter. When clutch charges, a zone appears on the court that provides a significantly increased likelihood of making shots when shooting from that zone, roughly a 99% chance of going in. Clutch ability was added in Season 1, and the first player to have the ability was NBA Live Mobile Master Russell Westbrook. A little tip, even try to get off a last second clutch shot and your ball handler goes into back down mode against an aggressive defender. Well, as soon as that happens, hit autoplay to get that shot off anyway. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.